Good morning students, have a nice day and I am very happy to see you again in the class. So today I am going to teach you the lesson 3 book exercise. Before that I am going to teach you the recall of the lesson number 3. Okay. So what is the first I am going to say is Ria and her friends. What Ria and her friends is saying, they are telling us about the school. Okay. What she's telling, what they are telling about their school's activities. So what Ria loves to go to school. What she loves? She loves to go to her school. Then she makes more fun. She enjoys her school. Okay, we also enjoy, isn't it? So same way she also enjoys her school, and she also learned and played over the school, over there, okay, in their school. What are the activities they done in the school? Let us see the first point, that is learned. What she learned? She learned new words, rhymes, as well as she played the number games. Now let's see the library. Why do we go to library? To read books. So her favorite activity is, why she went to the library? She and her friends went to the library to read many story books. But her favorite story is The Three Little Pigs. Now see the music class. Why do we go to the music class? To sing a song. Her favorite activity, second activity is she loves to sing a song in the class. Now let us see, next is art and craft class. Already have told you what is the art. Art means drawing and craft means the work which is done with the papers. Okay, so she loves to, what she likes to paint the drawing. What she has drawn, she likes to paint the pictures. Now next is playground. What we will do in the playground? We play. So she or her friend plays in the playground, but what she likes to swing on the swing, and her friends likes to play the cricket on the playground. Now next is lunch. What is lunch? What do we do on the lunch time? We take our lunch, okay, and we share the lunch with our friends. In the same manner, she also shared the lunch with her friends. Now last one is saying goodbye. When do we say goodbye? After completing the school works, before going to the house, what you will say to your friends? Bye, I will meet on the next day. So here see the recall. I have just recalled the lesson number 3. Okay. Now I am going to say about the book exercise of lesson 3. See the book exercise. Now see the match the columns of book exercise lesson 3. See, Ria loves, Ria learns, Ria sings songs, Ria plays. This is the first column, that is A column. Now we are going to match with the B column. What is the B column here? New words, on the swing, to go to school, in the music class. So A is going to match with the B column. Okay, for the first one, Ria loves. What she loves? Did she love to learn new words? No. Then she loves to swing on the swing? No. Then what is the correct answer over here? To go to school. What she loves? She loves to go to school. So let us match it. This is the first one. Now second one, Ria learns. What she learns? She learns, what she learns? She learns new words. She learns new words and rhymes, and also what she learned? And she learned how to play the number games. Now see the next one, Ria sings songs. Where do we sing a song? We sing a song in a music class. So what she is saying? Ria sings songs in the music class. So it is right. Okay. Now fourth one, Ria plays. What she plays? She plays a cricket or kho or kabaddi? No. What she plays? She plays on the swing. She likes to play on the swing. So again I am repeating. Ria loves. She loves to go to school. Second one, Ria learns. What she learns? She learns new words. Ria sings songs. Where? In the music class. Now last one, Ria plays on the swing. Those who are having the book with you, they can do the work. Okay. Thank you. Now see the second Roman letter. Take the pictures that show the activities that Ria does at school. What all the activities she done in the school, I have written here, but in the book there is a picture. So you can just put a tick on it. See here the first one, singing songs in a music class. Is it right? Yes, it is right. Because she was singing a song in the music class. Now second one, watching TV. Do you watch TV in the house or in the school? Yes, we all watch TVs in the house. So this is wrong. Can you do it in the school? Can you watch the TV on the school? No. What we do? We are coming to school for learning. Okay. So now third one, playing on the swing. She was playing on the swing. She likes to play on the swing. So this is correct. Next one, playing cricket. Did she likes to play cricket? No. What she likes? She likes to play on the swing. Who likes the cricket? The cricket, her friends likes to play the cricket. So it is wrong. So again see here, I have not drawn the pictures. The pictures are in your book. You have to mention only the correct one. Okay, ma'am. You have to take the pictures which are the activities done by Ria. So first one, singing songs in a music class. Right. Watching TV? No, it is wrong. Playing on the swing, she likes to play. So put a tick. Playing cricket? No, she doesn't like to play cricket. She likes to swing on the swing. So it is wrong. Now see, move to the third Roman letter. Say true or false. You have to say true or false. True means exact, correct, and false means wrong. Okay, ma'am? Ria eats alone during lunchtime. Isn't it? Is it true? No, because she does not like. Okay, well, she likes to share her lunch with her friends. What she likes? She likes to share. But what here told, that is she is eating her fruit alone. தனியா உட்கார்ந்து சாப்பிடுறது அவளுக்கு பிடிக்கும் அப்படினு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. So what it is it true or false? True or false? It is false. Okay, this is wrong. So statement is wrong. Ria eats alone. Alone na தனியா உட்கார்ந்து சாப்பிடுறது தான் அவளுக்கு பிடிக்கும் லஞ்ச் டைம்ல அப்படினு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. So it is wrong. What she likes to share the food with their friends. Now second one, Ria loves her school. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Ria likes to go to school because she loves her school very much. So what it is here? True. T-R-U-E, true. Now see the third one, singing is Ria's favorite activity in school. Singing is not her favorite activity. What is her favorite activity? Her favorite activity is to draw pictures. So what is the answer here? False. So you have to write here false. F-A-L-S-E. So again I am saying, first third Roman letter, first one, Ria eats alone during lunch time. So it is wrong. So what we will write here? False. Second one, Ria loves her school. Isn't she loves her school? Yes, she likes her school very much. So what we will write here? The statement is correct. So true. What is the spelling of true? T-R-U-E, true. Now see the third one, singing is Ria's favorite activity in school. Singing is not her favorite activity. So it is false, wrong statement. So what you will write here? False. False spelling F-A-L-S-E, false. Okay.